Welcome back to Prudence Coaching English class. Hello students, here we provide ICSE, CBSE and WBBSE solutions. Today we are here to discuss all the question answer from the chapter Robin Hood and the Silver Arrow from the book Golden Feather class 4 CBSE. So let's start all the question answer from this chapter. First of all, we are going to discuss the understanding the lesson, match the words in column A with those in column B to make the correct sentences. Here is the list is given, students. While you are writing the answer, this is a kind of suggestion that you will write the answer straightforward. Okay, so let's start this. Here the first question is, the sheriff decided to have a shooting contest. So here is the answer. Number one answer you will get here 1D. So here the first answer is, the sheriff decided to have a shooting contest to catch Robin Hood. So here 1 is matching with D. Next, number second question, the second is matching with G. So here we will say, of all the archers Robin Hood was the best. Next, we have finished two. Next, number third one, David had a sister. David had a sister. It is matching with number A, who worked in the sheriff's house. Next, there is number 4. It was Little John's idea. It was Little John's idea that they would go in disguise. Next, number 5. The master of list wanted the contest to start as the people were growing impatient. Next, number 5. Number 5 is done. Number 6, the shooters had to send their arrows. The shooters had to send their arrows right into the middle of the target. So number 6 is number C. Next, 7, the people cheered loudly. The people cheered loudly when Robin Hood received the prize. And number 8, the beautiful arrow was passed around and everyone admired it. So finally we have finished all this question answer. Here is the answer finally given: 1D, 2G, 3A, 4A, 5B, 6C, 7H and 8E. In this way you will write your answers. Next question, why was the sheriff sure that Robin Hood and his men would take part in the contest? Answer, the sheriff was sure that Robin Hood and his men would take part in the contest because, being the best archer, Robin Hood would not be able to resist himself from taking part in the competition. Now B2, the second question of section B. What did the sheriff tell the captain of his soldiers? Answer, the sheriff told the captain of his soldiers that he hoped to seize Robin Hood at the shooting match and that he must gather together as many soldiers as he could. Now number third question of section B. How did David come to know of the plot? Answer, David's sister worked in the sheriff's house. She informed David about the plot. Now the next question, number 4. Where was Robin standing when he overheard the sheriff and his wife? Answer, while taking position to shoot, Robin was standing very close to where the sheriff and his wife were sitting. Thus he overheard their conversation. Fifth question of section B. Who did Robin remind the sheriff's wife of? Why did this make the sheriff nervous? Answer, Robin reminded the sheriff's wife of a pleasant young butcher. Second part of the question, why did this make the sheriff nervous? Answer, this young butcher was Robin Hood in disguise, whom the sheriff again failed to catch, and so it made him nervous. Now the next question, what advice did Little John give to Robin at dinner? Answer, at dinner Little John advised Robin Hood to write a letter to the sheriff to inform him that they were all present in the shooting contest and the man in red was who won the prize was Robin Hood in disguise. Number 7. How was the letter sent to the sheriff? Answer, Little John stuck the letter onto the end of an arrow and shot it into the town. Thus the letter was sent to the sheriff. Now section C. This is the difficult question answer. Students, here you will learn something more and will have to explore your inner ability of writing answers. Students, one request, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share and like our content, because your little motivation will help us to provide you more helpful contents. So let's continue the first question. Was the sheriff's plan a good one? Why? Answer. I think the sheriff made a good plan to catch Robin Hood. Answer. Being the best archer, Robin Hood would definitely take part in the shooting match where he could be seized by the sheriff soldier. Thus, the sheriff really made a good plan to catch Robin Hood. Now the next question, why did Robin Hood's men go in twos and threes? Answer, Robin Hood's men went in the sitting contest in twos and threes by different roads so that no one suspect them who they were and they could easily take part in the competition. Now the next question, number third, do you think the people enjoyed watching the contest? Answer, yes, I think the people enjoyed watching the contest very much. They cheered loudly whenever anyone hit the white and groaned if it was missed. As the time passed, the people grew more and more excited, so it shows that the people were enjoying the match very much. Now, the fourth question, what kind of a person was Robin Hood? Answer, Robin Hood was a heroic outlaw, good, brave, prudent, and a generous person at heart. Was he polite, kind, talented, and considerate? Answer, Robin Hood was the best archer who joined the shooting contest with his men in disguise and won the prize too. He was known for his talent for disguising himself and gentle nature. All this shows that he was a polite, kind, talented, and a considerate person. So finally, students, we have finished all the question answer. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe channel, like our content. You can check for the link of other videos from the description box. Have a nice day, students. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.